Hi guys, how are you today? This is Z Berman in Tip of the Week for Revit, and today we're going to talk about temporary view properties. Okay, just before I start guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to get any notifications, just hit the bell. Okay, great. So let's get on to it. So I'm here in my project fragrance store and I'm in a layout store view, and basically what I wanted to show you today is if you have any view templates assigned to your view, just like I have here, there's my view template, and the view template name is called 3D view setting. And what I want to do is basically do a modification in my view control bar. The thing is that just usually when this is assigned, you can't really edit anything because it's all grayed out like you see here. So the detail level, the graphic display options, it's all grayed out. So basically it's all being controlled through the view template setting. So, but if I want to make a quick notification or a quick, modification, and edit something here in the model, how can I do that? So that's where basically the temporary view properties come into effect. So what I do is basically I'm here in the 3D view. I'm going to click on that and go enable temporary view properties. That puts you in this mode, as you see, with like a blue rectangular around. And then what we actually really need to do is let's do a little change. Let's say I'm going to change that to whatever. I'm going to change that just to shaded. So I change that to shaded. I can see how it looks. And then I can go back again and basically just hit restore. But before I go to that, could you just see what happened? When I got into that mode, it let me actually change here the settings. So I can basically, when I come into this mode, I can change the detail level, the graphic display options, and all the settings here on the view control bar. So that's a good thing. And basically I can now, if I go again here to the temporary view properties, I can go to restore. If I go restore, so what it's going to do, it's just going to go back and it's going to restore. Now, there's another option here. As you see here, there's what's called temporarily apply template properties. So what that means is if I hit that, I have different settings, I have different view templates here. So I can take a different view template. Let's say I'm going to take my 3D landscape setting, let's say, and I'm going to go OK. And you can see what happened automatically. What it did, it just let me apply that view template in my view. So basically this is all from a different view template that's assigned to the view. And you can see here, this is grayed out. If you see this here on the properties panel and you see that this is grayed out, it basically means here that you are in this temporarily mode. And then again, to get out of that, again, we can go to restore. Now, another very important thing that it can show you here, it shows you also the recent templates that's been opened. So you can see now I opened basically a 3D landscape setting. So that's my recent template. And if I hit that, automatically, you can see it basically took it out of that mode. And I'm now in 3D view setting. You can see here, okay, and again I can't really select any of my controls here in the view control bar because it's all basically controlled here. Now again here, if I'm gonna again go into the setting, we have enable temporarily view, we have temporarily apply template properties, that's what we just did. And then basically again, if I go again here to 3D landscape settings, it's gonna give me the setting. If I go in here again into 3D view settings, It's going to give me that setting. But again, if I come here again and go restore, it's going to close that up, and then it's going to automatically give you basically, you're going back to your view template, and that's where all the settings are. So basically, as a conclusion, this tool is all temporarily. You use it when you want to get something out of your way, or when you want to change something, but not to have it permanent. That's the main thing of this tool. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tip. And again, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. See you soon.